Welcome to the video. If you're dreaming of early retirement and wondering how to make your savings last, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into the 4% rule, a popular strategy that helps you determine how much you can withdraw from your investments each year without running out of money. We'll explore the origins of the rule, examine different investment portfolios, and see how safe this strategy really is. Let's get started. The 4% rule, a deep dive. The 4% rule is a popular guideline among those aiming for early retirement. The rule suggests that you can withdraw 4% of your invested assets annually without depleting your portfolio within 30 years. This rule is based on an extensive study known as the Trinity Study, Origins of the 4% Rule. The 4% rule originates from the Trinity Study, conducted in 1998 by 3 professors from Trinity University in the United States, Philip L. Cooley, Carl M. Hubbard, and Daniel T. Walls. The official title of their research is Retirement Savings, Choosing a Withdrawal Rate that is Sustainable. They investigated the success of different investment portfolios and withdrawal rates over various periods, using historical data to determine the sustainability of retirement income. Examined portfolios. The Trinity Study examined 5 different portfolios: 100% stocks, 75% stocks, and 25% bonds. 50% stocks and 50% bonds, 25% stocks and 75% bonds, 100% bonds, different withdrawal periods and rates. The professors studied 4 different withdrawal periods, 15, 20, 25, and 30 years. They also analyzed various withdrawal rates, ranging from 3% to 12%, where the withdrawal rate is the amount of money you take from your investments each year to live on. This percentage is based on the initial value of your portfolio. For example, if you start with a portfolio of 1 million euros and a withdrawal rate of 4%, you withdraw $40,000 in the first year. This amount is adjusted annually for inflation. Results of the Trinity Study. The study presents the results for different withdrawal rates and portfolios, showing the success rate of a strategy that maintains sufficient funds for 30 years. 100% stocks. With a 4% withdrawal rate, this portfolio has a 95% success rate over 30 years. 75% stocks and 25% bonds. This portfolio has a 98% success rate at a 4% withdrawal rate. 50% stocks and 50% bonds. This portfolio has a 95% success rate at a 4% withdrawal rate. 25% stocks and 75% bonds. This combination has a much lower success rate of 71% at a 4% withdrawal rate. 100% bonds. This portfolio has only a 20% success rate at a 4% withdrawal rate. Conclusion. The Trinity Study shows that the 4% rule can be a reliable method to determine how much you can safely withdraw during retirement without exhausting your portfolio. With at least 50% stocks in your portfolio, you have a good chance of financial security throughout your retirement years. However, if you read the complete study, they also highlights the risks of higher withdrawal rates, with rates above 6% significantly increasing the risk of depleting your funds. Past results are no guarantee of future performance. While the Trinity Study provides a valuable guide for retirement planning, it's important to remember that past results do not guarantee future performance. Financial markets are dynamic and can be influenced by numerous unpredictable factors, such as economic crises, geopolitical tensions, and changes in interest rates. Therefore, it's crucial to regularly review and adjust your financial strategy according to current economic conditions. In conclusion, the 4% rule offers a solid foundation for retirement planning, but it remains important to be cautious and flexible in your approach to achieve and maintain your financial goals, regardless of economic circumstances. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and see you next time.